Welcome back to the Power BI Masterclass Intensive Full Course Training. We'll continue with our data analyst, where we're gonna check our knowledge and we're gonna do a summary. Okay, be sure to watch the previous introduction, data analyst, role in data analyst, and tasks. So the task of a data analyst, which data role enables advanced analytics capability, specifically through reports and visualizations. Alright, I'll give you guys some time to pause the video. Okay, so right now I'm gonna explore the answers. The answer is data analyst. Okay, data analyst will do the reports and visualizations. So which data task, or data analyst task, has a critical performance impact on reports and data analysts? Okay, pause the video and then I'm gonna announce the answer later on. Okay, pause the video. Alright, so right now the answer on how do we improve the performance, right? Which key responsibility level we can to improve the performance will be the modeling, right? The modeling, we need to make sure our modeling, okay, is as efficient as possible to improve my reporting, right, and data analysis. Okay, which one of the following option is the most important key benefits of data analysts? Right, we have decisive analytics, informed business decisions, and complex report. Okay, pause the video and think of the answer. Okay, I'm gonna announce the answer right now. The answer would be informed business decision, guys. Okay, we can help our business to make data-driven decision. Okay, it's all about business, guys. It's all about business. Okay, so let's do a summary for this chapter right here. Data analyst is vital to organizations such as, right? We need data and we need to analyze the data so that we can help our company to grow. And data analyst plays a crucial role in ensuring informed decision making. Alright, and trusted data for better business decision. Right, data integrity is very important. Analyze, process, and validate data to maintain accuracy and reliability. Collaborations with other data roles, right? For example, like data engineers, scientists, and business stakeholders to extract valuable insight, which is the business analyst role. Okay, so this chapter, as a summary, we know that data analysis is very important. Okay, so we have summarized everything right here. Next, we will move on to data preparation, where we can start to do some of the practical there. Alright, I hope you guys enjoy this series. And I'll see you in the next one, which is part 2, data preparation. Hope you guys learned something new today. I'll see you in the next one.